Namaste. Myself Asthajita Mes from the country India. I live in state Assam, city Duliajan and district Dibrugarh. Assam, it is famous for tea garden and one horned rhinoceros. I am standing in class 8 standard. I believe that determination, hard work makes an important impact in life to build ourselves and to achieve our goals. I believe in sharing love and care to one who are deprived from needs. I want to help them in getting opportunities such as education and also giving more importance to women in regards of women powering them in different work field. I am going to represent India to international pageant Teen International 2023 at Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh City. I am honored and privileged to represent India to international platform. I thank my teacher, my mentor Avilik Kalita for guiding me and giving me this wonderful platform. I take this privilege and honor to represent India and making my country proud. Jai Hind, thank you.